Hola my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing July's Eyescream Beuty Box. So if that interests you and you want to see everything that I got inside the box, then keep on watching. So in case you didn't know, Eyescream Beuty Box is a monthly subscription box and it brings 5 makeup items inside, and it always guarantees an eyeshadow palette in each box, and it retails for $25. So I think it's a great deal. So I'm super excited to see what I got in this month's box. So let's open it up. This is the card with all the information, and the first thing that I see here is this box, this gorgeous box. Okay, so this is the Blossom Bronzer / Contour by Palace Identity. It retails for $42. Look how gorgeous this packaging. So a little bit about this says, warm or sculpt your look this summer. There are 2 shades available of this stunning compact. It is inspired by the cultural relics of the Tang Dynasty. Let's see, let's open it up. I've never tried anything from this brand. Let's see the colors. Oh, it comes in a nice little sachet pouch, and it's black, like a velvet black. Oh wow, look how stunning this packaging. This is beautiful, and it's shade 1 warm gold. Look how pretty, and it brings a little charm over here. This is very beautiful. Let me take this little thing off. Okay, so I couldn't get it all off because for some reason it melted. I don't know if this is tape or something, and it's all gooey and melted, but this is the charm. So let me open it up, and here it is. It has a mirror over here. I have to take off the seal, and these are the beautiful shades. I think it's gorgeous. The packaging is very unique. The detail to it is amazing. I'm super excited to put this on my face. So this is Medusa's makeup, and this is a lipstick. This is a tinted lip balm, and it retails for $12. It says this is a perfect balance between a lipstick and a lip balm. It provides a beautiful color, but also keeps your lips moisturized all day. This can be especially important in the summer when the heat and the sun can cause your lips to become dry, which is so true. Especially for me that I have dry lips. It's also very comfortable to wear in warmer weather since the formula feels very light on the lips. Let's look at the shade. It's Social, and I love that shade. Very pretty. Let me put it over here. It is very, very creamy. It's on the subtle side. It feels very soft. Super excited to try this. This is the Oil Control Pressed Powder by Ofra Cosmetics. It retails for $29. It says during the summer and hot days, our skin tends to produce more oil and sweat. This pressed powder is the perfect product to help make sure your makeup doesn't just melt off. Use it to set your makeup and take it with you to instantly remove any excess shine. Sounds great. This is the Volumizing Mascara by Charmacy Global. It retails for $12. This mascara is sweat-proof, which makes it another summer must-have. Sweat-proof mascara is specially formulated to withstand moisture and humidity, ensuring your lashes stay voluminous and defined throughout the day. I love the packaging. Very stunning. And that is the one. It's a black mascara. And last but not least, the palette. This is by Moonslide Beauty. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm super eager to try it. So in this month's box, for the first time ever, they were featuring Moonslide Beauty, and Moonslide Beauty is committed to providing affordable makeup options to everyone and aiding those in need. Their commitment to not only maintain reasonable prices, but also maintain a strong ethical stance in the beauty industry. So for this month, they allowed you to choose between 2 palettes. Each of the palettes contains 15 highly pigmented mattes, shimmers, and duochromes. So it was a purple one and a blue one. And I chose, let me show you. I'm super excited to know what everyone chose for this month. I chose this one. I chose the blue one. Look how stunning those shades. Let me quickly swatch them for you. Here are the beautiful swatches. Okay, so I'm ready to put everything on my face. I already did my base. I haven't powdered because I want to try the powder, the Oprah powder, which I don't know. It looks so white and intimidating, but it doesn't say anywhere that it's a translucent powder or anything like that. It just says a pressed powder oil control. I'm just gonna put it all over my face and see. The fact that it says oil control and you can retouch it when you get oily, that really intrigues me because I have an oily T-zone. Just all over and see if it doesn't leave my face like too white. I'm using a big fluffy brush. It is mattifying quickly. Switch to the other side to really get in here and set this under eye. I already put on concealer. I'm not seeing like a white cast. You guys gotta let me know if you see that. Maybe I don't notice because of all the lights in here, but I don't see that happening. I think it's pretty good. What do you think? For bronzer slash contour, I'm gonna use this one that came in the box, and it says this is the Blossom Contour, and it's in shade 01, which is warm gold. And I love the fact that it comes in this little pouch, and the packaging is stunning. I mean, you saw it already up close. I think it's gorgeous. All right, this is the brush that I always use to like bronze. So I'm just gonna go in and dip everywhere and see. Okay, there, I see it. So this is one of those types that you have to slowly build up, but you can see it right there. I like that. I like building it up. I prefer building it up than when it has way too much pigment from the beginning. I prefer those because you can slowly build it up to the intensity that you want, and this is one of them. And I like that color because it's not too warm. Even though it says it's warm, it's like an in-between of warm and cool tone, which are the ones that I prefer. This is very nice, and it blends easily. I just put some in my forehead, put a little bit here. I like this. And now the palette, and let me put a picture of both of the palettes that you got to choose this month, because this month you get to choose which palette you wanted. They gave you two options from the same brand, which is Moonslice Beauty. This brand, they came out with two palettes. One was purple and the other one was blue, and it was hard. It was hard to choose because I love purple eyeshadows. I really do. I love the color purple, so that's why. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is so hard because I also love blues. So I was like, let me look at my collection and see what I have. If I have more purples, then I'll go with the blue one. And that was the case. I went through all my palettes and counted everything, and I have more purples in my collection. So that's why I decided to choose the blue one, which is this gorgeous one right here. Look how pretty. I already showed you the swatches, which by the way, this palette swatched so beautifully and so easily that I'm super excited about, because sometimes you struggle to do swatches in your arm, especially in your arm, because it's not like the same texture of your eyes. But this one swatched great, and those shimmers look very, very pretty. This is the only purple in here, and this is a duochrome. It's like a blue purple. Stunning. So I think I'm going to do like a halo look that I haven't done in a while. And I'm going to start with this shade up here. This one. Or maybe this one. No, I'm going to start with this one. I've never tried this brand before. I don't know the quality of it. Wow, this is very pigmented. right off the bat, very, very pigmented. Look at that gorgeous blue. Blue is great if you have brown eyes because it makes them pop more. I've noticed that. This is so pretty. So let me know if you've tried anything from this indie brand. Let me know if you like it, what products you used, because I want to know more about it. That is very pretty. Now I'm gonna use this blue. I'm gonna deepen this outer corner. So far, these are working great together. These are pigmented, but they blend easy. That's what I'm noticing. Which sometimes when an eyeshadow is very pigmented, it's a little bit harder to blend out. You have to work at it, but these are working great in terms of how they blend. So I'm gonna deepen this inner corner and the outer corner to do a halo look. Add in my trusty glitter primer by NYX. I'm debating if I want this shade or this shade. So I'm gonna start with this one. It's very reflective. I love it. Look how gorgeous that is. That's pretty. You could totally get more depth and dimension with this eyeshadow palette because you could go in with these down here and deepen anything out and create contrast. But I wanted more like an icy type of blue look today, so I'm sticking with the medium tones and the lighter tones. So now for the lower lash line, I want to try a different blue, and I think I'm gonna try this one up here first, and then probably deepen it up with either this one or this one. I'm not sure. So let me first grab this one. So far, I'm loving this palette. All the blues that I've tried are true to color. I wonder if the purple palette is the same. I'm going to start watching videos to see the people who chose the purple palette to see if they like it. I'm going to take this purple blue. Oh, that is so pretty. It's more on the purple side. So this palette actually has like 3 tones that are more into purple, which are these 3 right here. They lean more on the purple side, which I love. I'm actually gonna take that duochrome shade right here. It's like a blue purple. It shifts from blue to purple. I didn't bring my setting spray. I'm just gonna do it with a dry brush and put that in the inner corner, like in the lower lash line. Oh, that's nice. Now for the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to take the lightest shade up here. Oh, that's pretty. It doesn't look like that in the pan, but oh my gosh, it's shiny. Look at that. It's so icy. I love it. I really like it. Gorgeous. Love this palette. Love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the mascara, and I'm always excited to try new mascaras because I have short and stubby lashes that go straight down, and I need anything to help them. I need volume, I need length, I need all the good stuff. I need something to hold it up in place so they don't fall down again. And it's hard to find good mascaras out there, and this is by Charmacy, and I love the packaging. It's very bougie. And I'm super excited to try this one. Let me curl my lashes real quick and I'll be back. I gotta show you this because you know how I always complain about my lashes being short and stubby and just not good? Check this out. This gives great lengthening. I just hope they don't fall down because the length, I'm loving the length. It gives a little bit of volume, but I think it's more of a lengthening mascara. I love that. I did 2 coats. So let me finish this eye. So I was gonna go in with falsies, but I don't think I'm going to because these look great. If you have naturally long lashes, this is gonna be huge on you because if it did this to mine's, girl, this is good. All I have to see is the wear time to see if they stay up for a long period of time or if they fall down quickly. I'll let you know, but so far I'm impressed. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna try is the Medusa lip balm. Let me first take out what I had on, which was like a lip oil. And this is in shade Social. I'm gonna first line my lips to define them more, and I'll be back. This is the shade right here. Let's see. This is the shade. It's on the subtle side because it's more like a balm, like a lipstick slash balm. It's not sticky. It feels hydrating. I'm liking it, and it's like a soft nude pink shade, but more on the cool tone side, which I love. So I like this. Here's the final look. What do you all think? Let me know which one was your favorite product. Was it the eyeshadow palette? Was it the lipstick, the powder, the bronzer, contour type of thing? I'm liking everything that came in the box this month so far. I will let you know about the powder. I'm going to use it today. Once I start to get shiny again, I'm going to continue using it to see if it does what it claims to do, which is to mattify your anywhere you're oily. If you're interested in knowing about that or any questions about longevity or anything, let me know in the comment section and I will answer you as soon as I can. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.